Hello guys, welcome. In this video, we will learn how to set up OmniRoute in Visual Studio Code. So let's start. So first we will go to Chrome, open it. Here I will search for OmniRoute, GitHub. Go to this first link, open it. So now it is open, so I'll go down. OmniRoute is a free AI gateway. It has 340 providers, 90 plus is free. Now if I go down, it provides all these models. You can check them here. Now if I go down, here is the quick start. So I'll click on this quick start. It will take us here. So this is the installation and running method of OmniRoute. So for this first command, we need npm. npm is a package manager that comes together with Node.js. When you install Node.js, npm is automatically installed. So I'll copy this and here I'll come to cmd and paste it. As I have already installed Node.js, so my npm is working. So if I hit enter, so now it will start installing OmniRoute. So it will take some time, so we will wait. So now you can see here the installation is in progress. It will take a few more seconds. So now the installation is completed. So I'll come again to GitHub, copy the second command and I'll paste it here. Hit enter. So this command will start OmniRoute. So now you can see here starting server. So as you can see here, this message OmniRoute has not started up. So I'll close this window and I will again open cmd and type the same command or paste the same command here again. So now OmniRoute is running and as you can see, it has opened this in the browser. So here is the password. Change me. This is the password. So I'll type it, continue. And as you can see, we have logged in to OmniRoute. So here is the endpoint. We will use this and our VS Code and it should be running. This local server and this cloud OmniRoute should be active. Now this is the API keys. Here you can create the API keys and this is the providers. Now here is the pre-tier. You can connect different pre-tier models with different methods. The method for anti-gravity CLI is different than the other one. I have already connected anti-gravity CLI and Kiro AI. Now I'll search for Ollama and add Ollama as well. As you can see here, Ollama Cloud. I'll click on add. If I type free here, import free models. And now if I save, let's check if it is working. Now you can see it has imported 6 models. If I click OK, so it has imported DeepSeek, this one, Kimi K2, GLM 5.1, Minimax M3, Minimax M2.7, Nemotron 3 and all these models. Currently I have connected Ollama, anti-gravity CLI and Kiro AI models. You can connect all of these free tier models. Some of them need API key, so you have to go to their site and generate the API key and then connect. For now, I'll try with these 3 providers. So now, as this is set up, so I'll come here to search and open VS Code. I'll maximize this. Now I'll come to extensions and here I'll search for Code. This first one, select this and install this. This is the detail of this extension. You can check this. So it is installed. So I'll close this extensions tab and now I'll come to this Code extension. I'll open this. You can see here that it has a generous free tier as well. This Code. If I send it a hi, hello, I'm Kilo, a software engineering assistant. How can I help you today? So Code also has a free tier available. You can use that as well. But today we are setting up OmniRoute and Code and VS Code. So for that, I'll come to the settings. I'll go to these providers. I'll go down. Here is this custom provider. I'll click on this connect. So here for provider ID, I'll use OmniRoute. For this, I will use OmniRoute provider. Keep this OpenAI-compatible. Now come to the browser and to OmniRoute and come to this endpoints. Copy this endpoint and paste it here in this base URL. Now again come to browser, API key, create new API key and I'll name this VS Code key and click create. I'll copy this API key. I'll come here again and I'll paste it here. Now you can see here it has shown us these models. We can add them all, but for all of them, we haven't added the API keys. So we will select those models which we had connected in our OmniRoute, as I have connected Kiro AI, Anti-Gravity CLI, and Ollama. So I'll go there again, come to this providers, free tier. I'll search here Kiro AI because I have already added it. As you can see, connected is shown with this. Here we have Claude Sonnet with it, Claude Haiku. So I'll copy this and come here. I'll paste it in model ID, and here I will use Sonnet 4.5. Now I can add as many models as I want. I'll add another one. I'll copy this one. I'll paste it here and I'll name this. I'll add another one. I'll name it Minimax. Now I'll go down. I'll deselect all of these. I'll go down and submit. Now here I'll search OmniRoute. As you can see here, Haiku, Minimax and Sonnet 4.5 is shown here. So I'll select the Sonnet 4.5 and send it a hi. So as you can see, hello, what would you like to work on? I'll ask it, which model are you using? As you can see, it is using this KR Claude Sonnet 4.5. Its full ID is OmniRoute Kiru Claude Sonnet. So now I'll ask it, create me a Tic-Tac-Toe game in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Put all code in one file. Hit enter. So now it is working, writing. I'll close this. I'll close this as well. Now you can see it has created tic-tac-toe.html. You can see the file here. Now if I go here to Explorer, reveal in Explorer, and if I double click on this, so it will open in browser. I can play the game. Now you can see player X1. I can reset the game. So in this way, you can set up OmniRoute free AI models in VS Code and can work on any project. So I think that's all for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you.